Welcome students. In this session we will study about the growth of the plants. Okay. So as we knew that from a dried piece of gram, if we will soak it for several hours, we can get a swollen gram here like this. Okay. And if it is kept in some favorable condition, after some time it will lead for the formation of this a new plant emerging from this seed, which is called as baby plant. Okay, these things we have studied in previous class. Now we will study the favorable condition or the conditions in which seed grows. Okay, so growth of seed happens some appropriate condition, happens in some appropriate condition. And what are those conditions? First, it needs appropriate amount of air. Second number, water. And third number, temperature. It needs air, it needs appropriate water, it needs appropriate temperature. Okay, all three conditions are required. If anyone is lacking, then the growth of seed cannot happen. Okay, so air, water, temperature. In case of temperature, I will write not too hot, not too cold. Means it doesn't require too hot or too cool temperature. Okay, so in space, like in moon, okay, in or everywhere place outside the earth, air is not present. So in absence of air, seed cannot germinate, so the plants are absent on moon. Okay, for the germination of seed, for the growth of a seed, air is required, and a place where air is absent, the seed cannot grow. Okay, in case of water, if we don't give enough water to the seed, it cannot germinate, it cannot grow. We know it. Okay, so obviously that many kind of seed we used to eat them, like take example of gram, or we call them as chana at home. Okay, we used to keep them in a container, airtight container. Okay, but there we cannot find any swollen gram like this. We cannot find. Why? Because they are dried. We don't give water to those seed in this box, in this container. Okay, so the seed inside the container won't grow. And the third thing, temperature. If the temperature is too hot, then seed won't grow. If temperature is too cold, then seed won't grow. Okay, and this thing we can see in desert. Okay, desert is a place where only sands are there, like this. Okay, so this is desert, जहाँ पर ढेर सारा बालू रहता है के desert place में. In India, the name of that desert is Thar, Thar. Okay, Thar is the name of desert which is in Rajasthan. Okay, this is a desert and this is hot desert. जहाँ पे बालू रहता है उसको बोलते हैं hot desert. Okay, यहाँ पर plants नहीं मिलेंगे. Why? Because at their temperature is too hot. Or in cold desert. Cold desert means a place where snow falls a lot. जहाँ पर बहुत सारा केवल बर्फ़ का बारिश होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा जहाँ पे ठंडा रहता है, जहाँ पे स्नो रहता है, उसको बोलते हैं कोल्ड डेजर्ट। जैसे कि कहाँ पर है, जम्मू कश्मीर में। ओके, तो वहाँ पर भी आपको उतने सारे प्लांट्स नहीं मिलेंगे, आपको काफ़ी कम प्लांट मिलेंगे। वी विल गेट वेरी लेस प्लांट इन hot desert and in cold desert. Okay, why? We cannot see too much life of plant there. Why? Because their temperature is too hot and temperature is too cold. Okay, so we don't need that. We need a appropriate amount of temperature, neither too hot nor too cold. Just room temperature is good. ओके हमारा रूम टेम्परेचर ही नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर अच्छा होता है सीड का ग्रोथ के लिए. Okay, so we understood that for the growth of a seed we need three conditions, and what are those three? Air, water and enough temperature, not too hot and not too cold. I will advise you to learn them. Okay, इनको याद कर लेना, this is important. This will come in question answer part also, this will come in examination also. Okay, so learn this one. Now the seed germination. In class 5 we have to study the stages of the germination of seed. Seed germination means the total process by which from a seed a plant grows. From a seed a plant grows. The total process is called as seed germination. Okay, so first thing we knew that for the growth of a seed we need some appropriate conditions, and what are those? Presence of air, water and yes, temperature, not too hot and not too cold. Okay, so in this seed germination we have to study 6 stages. Okay, I will I will try to draw them. Let me see if I can use it here like this. Oh no, I will have to. Okay, let me adjust it. So I'm just using some pencils. Okay. So the stage 1 is this seed itself. This is the stage 1. Okay, so I'm not going to draw it because I have seed here, so I'm not going to draw it. Okay, this is the first seed. In stage 2, so this lives inside the earth. Okay, in soil. In stage 2 it looks like this. It has some sprouts, or you can say the baby plant in it. Okay, this one. Stage 3 I will have to make it. From this sprout, this whitish part, the root comes out. Okay, so suppose that it is a seed over here. Okay, and this part you can say it is going upward and then coming downwards like this. Okay, so it will go upward and it will come downward, and this will form root of the plant. This sprout will form root of the plant. Then this root will grow bigger, and after some days you can see this root will grow bigger, and that will be my stage 4. This is my stage 1. Okay, I should use another color. This is my stage 1, this is stage 2, this is stage 3, this is stage 4. Now I am going to draw stage 5. Okay, so in stage 5 the first leaf appears. It means the first thing what we should notice that this root grows more bigger. Okay, okay, this root grows more bigger, और बड़ा हो जाएगा ये ज़्यादा, enough large. Okay, and in above part, from this point, okay, it will grow higher first thing, and from this part there will be appearance of first leaves. Okay, there will be appearance of first leaves. So we should notice that this is my first leaf, and in stage 6 we will have a complete young plant. Okay, it means its root will be even more bigger, okay, and the plant will become more higher and higher, like this. Okay, and these part, the seed, it will come here, here, and this part will be present here. Okay, and these leaves will be grown enough large. Okay, and from here I can draw a bird also. So let me make it visible complete to you. Okay, good. So this is leaf, this part. So this is called the growth of the plant from the stage 1. Let me draw it also. Okay, I am having some trouble in here. So that was my gram seed. Okay, it's my sprouted gram seed. So like this. Okay, so this was my stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. In stage 3 appearance of root rises, root appear होना start कर देता है. stage 4 the roots become more deeper, और deeper चला जाएगा और ये धीरे धीरे से ऊपर आना start हो जाएगा ज़मीन के ऊपर. stage 5 roots will be more deeper and the appearance of first leaf happens, and in stage 6 the total young plant becomes visible to us. Okay, it appears to us. Okay, from this stage to coming to this stage, this process by which a seed grows to develop into a seedling, this is called my seedling. Okay, from here to a young plant, this is my seedling. I'm going to write it here. Okay, so this was my seed. In stage 1 I had seed, and here I have seedling or young plant. Okay, so this is called as the germination of seed, the total part from seed to the seedling. Or what is another name of seedling? Young plant. From seed to seedling, the process of growth of plant from seed to seedling is called seed germination. Okay, and for the germination of seed, what we need appropriate air, water and temperature, not too hot or not too cold. Okay, so there is an activity in page number 17, okay, of your book. So you can do that in your home. Okay, now so this was all about the reproduction of a baby plant, or the reproduction of plant from seed and in next class we will study the reproduction of plant by different parts of plant, not by seed. We will study about the reproduction by different parts of plant. Okay, so thank you.